St. Louis, it was mostly sunny, and 79. At Des Moines, it was partly sunny, and 79. At the Twin Cities, it was mostly sunny, and 81. Once again, at Milwaukee, it was 78, under partly sunny skies. A few marine observations. At the Port Washington Lakeshore, the air temperature was 78. The winds were southwest at 16 knots, gusting to 19. At the Milwaukee Lakeshore, the air temperature was 77. The winds were southwest at 11 knots, gusting to 14. At the Kenosha Harbor, the air temperature was 77. The winds were calm. Here is the nearshore marine forecast. Small craft advisory in effect from Wednesday morning through Wednesday evening. Tonight, southwest wind 10 to 15 knots becoming southwest 10 to 15 knots with gusts to around 20 knots in the late evening and overnight. Partly cloudy. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Wednesday, southwest wind 15 to 20 knots becoming 10 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Gusts up to 30 knots. Sunny. Waves 1 to 2 feet building to 2 to 4 feet in the late morning and afternoon. Wednesday night, southwest wind 15 to 20 knots easing to 10 to 15 knots late in the evening, then becoming southwest 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Gusts up to 25 knots. Clear. Waves 2 to 4 feet subsiding to around 1 foot in the late evening and overnight. Thursday, southwest wind 10 to 15 knots rising to 15 to 20 knots late in the morning, then becoming southwest 15 to 20 knots early in the afternoon backing south late in the afternoon. Sunny. Waves 1 to 2 feet building to 2 to 4 feet late in the afternoon. Here is the forecast for the open waters of Lake Michigan. Lake Michigan forecast beyond 5 nautical miles from shore south half tonight. Southwest winds 10 to 20 knots increasing to 15 to 25 knots. Waves 3 to 5 feet. Wednesday, southwest winds 15 to 25 knots increasing to 30 knots. Waves 3 to 5 feet building to 5 to 8 feet occasionally to 10 feet. Wednesday night, southwest winds 15 to 25 knots diminishing to 10 to 20 knots. Waves 5 to 8 feet occasionally to 10 feet subsiding to 3 to 5 feet. Thursday, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots becoming south. Waves 3 to 5 feet. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a fire weather watch, which is in effect from late Wednesday morning through early Wednesday evening. Affected area: Marquette, Green Lake, Fond du Lac, Sheboygan, Sauk, Columbia, Dodge, Washington, Ozaki, Iowa, Dane, Jefferson, Waukesha, Milwaukee, Lafayette.